All right, everyone. How's everybody doing? Let me know if you can hear me and see me well. We're about to start a brand new live streaming on YouTube. But first, let me know if you guys can hear me and see me well. That's the most important thing to start. I want to know that you guys can see me and hear me. We are about to share some good information in today's live streaming. In fact, we're going to see the weekly results of the BLW Signals group. This is something we're going to do on a weekly basis so that you know what's going on with the group and you know the numbers that we're getting. And additionally, I'm going to tell you about the new webinars that are actually coming right now. And last but not least, we're going to see the new signals method that we're going to have in the BLW Signals group. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm really excited. Honestly, last week was not really that good, but it is my duty, my obligation, and my responsibility, as Green Cardone says, to show you my results. So I'm glad that you guys can hear me and see me. Welcome to this live streaming. If you're just joining in this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button. Or if you're watching this on this replay, make sure you smash the like button. We're about to share some cool information. And someone asked for a discount coupon for the BLW Signals group in the chat box. I think it was, let me see, because I want to say the name. It was Mohammed Ikrama. So I gave a discount code that is Christian Rocks without the H, right? Christian without the H, Christian Rocks. And you will get 15% off today to join the BLW Signals group, whether it's monthly or a yearly plan. So welcome everybody to this new live streaming. We are 23,600 subscribers right now. Like 590 something subscribers. We're about to hit the 23,600 subscribers while as we speak. So we're really excited. For those of you who don't know, what is it that we're going to review, or the review of that we're going to do today is the results, the weekly results of this BLW Signals group, the BLW Signals group. And I'm also going to share the new schedules that we're gonna have for this week, because we want to cover more time for you guys to have more signals. So let me know where you're saying hi from. I want to say hi to you in the live chat right now. There's not that many people watching this live streaming. Of course, it's Saturday morning, and I just had a meeting right now with the admins. Just so you guys know, I gave them a training as to how to improve the numbers on their signals. So 100% guaranteed, you guys will see way better results starting off this week. I don't know if there's an admin in here, but they can confirm that they just got a new training. So South Africa saying hi right here. Some people are getting some great results with the 5-minute strategy in OTC. I see As had 90 in the money out of 11 trades. So that's awesome. Love your channel. Thank you very much. I love you all. I love you all as well. Sri Lanka, India here. So let's go ahead and begin. Because I know it's Saturday and you probably are like, whoa, we need to chill. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to see the weekly results. And unfortunately, these are the weekly results. All right, let me just go ahead and try to zoom in a little bit the results. And yes, we can see that we are at 61.4% in the money this week. Finally, the US and Iran have come into an agreement, I would say, and the war danger that I was around, it's finally like fading away. It's not completely gone, but it's fading away, and that's definitely going to help the market. So I'm 100% sure that next week everything's going to go back to normal. I asked the admins to go and send me less signals if needed, in order to get better results. But the results right now are like this. Malik Jawad had 73.3%. He's only Forex and binary signals. The rest of the team, Sidhan had 68.8%. Lester had 64.7%. Harry had 63.6%. Anupama had 50%. And Prasad had 40% in the money. I want to point out here that I did speak to the admins this morning, and I want you all to understand this. We are a team, all right? The admins and myself are a team. We have the operations manager, we have the signal supervisor, we have different people inside of the team, inside of the headquarters. And our target, our main goal is that you make money, okay? That's bottom line. And we had a meeting today where I had to, like, I don't know how to say it, but punish them because of the results that we've been having. And they are like, they feel sorry, all right? It's not like they don't care about having bad results. They kind of feel unmotivated when they have these kind of results, all right? I know you trust them. I know you love them. And I know you know that they had huge, great numbers back in November, and we're trying to get there again. So if you can just tell them some nice words in the live chat, because they're watching or they're going to watch this in the future, put some nice words for them in the comments, encourage them to actually get the same results they used to have, because they're unmotivated. Right now, I had to punish them in the meeting. You know, I had to be rough of them, even with money, with the payments. And truthfully, to be honest with you, it's not easy for me to actually, you know, punish them, taking in consideration that they've been working with me for so long. But there are corrections that need to be made. So if you see these numbers, you probably are going to be like, whoa, this group doesn't work. And the truth is that we've been having some rough weeks in the past, but it's not always been like this. Okay, that's what I want you to understand. And I want you to understand that they are committed to improve their numbers. Okay, with that being said, these are this week's numbers. I'm going to update them into the signals group. I didn't do it last week, but I'm going to do it this week. Hopefully I don't forget. And what we want is to do something different this week so that you understand how important it is for us that you guys are making money. Okay, so what we decided to do is the following. The first thing is that the admins are going to have extended schedules to send signals so that they don't are like, you know, so that they're not like attached to 2-hour signals, and if they don't find something good, they have to go with risky trades and stuff like that. We're gonna avoid that from now on. Each admin will have 3 hours on each schedule. We're going to start at 11 GMT to 14 GMT. We still haven't decided which admin is going to be there, but it's probably going to be either Prasad or Sidhan. 14 to 17 GMT is going to be Sidhan. 14 to 17 GMT. 17 GMT to 20 GMT is going to be Anupama. Like, again, 17 to 20 GMT is going to be Anupama. 20 to 23 GMT, we're still deciding whether it's going to be Lester or Prasad. And 23 to 2 GMT is going to be Harry. Okay? So these are the new schedules. Right now, we're going to start covering 15 hours of signals. But that's not it. That's not it. This week, I'm going to try to get a new admin. Yes, I'm going to hire a new admin. You know, the process is going to have to go through sending demo signals in the Facebook signals group only. Signals for free on demo. And if after 1 month, those people are going to come in to see which one actually did better. And we're going to choose a new admin so that you have even more signals. So instead of having 450 signals, right now you're going to have what, like over 500 signals for the signals group. And I plan to have this admin from what is it going to be? 7 GMT? No, I'm sorry, 8 GMT to 11 GMT. Why? So that people at that time, they do have signals to follow. And the plan is actually to cover 24 hours of signals, but we have to go slowly, all right? I don't want to rush into any decision so that you don't end up following an admin that I'm not sure of. You know, we have to test the admin so that they can prove themselves and prove that they can make you money. Okay, let me go through the live chat real quick. From Macau, how you doing, Sherwin? I'm from Guatemala, Central America. We're still with your team. Thank you. Brian says this week will be better. Don't worry, guys. We trust you, and we know this coming week we're going to print money for real. BLW will rock again starting Monday. Thank you, Brian. Yes, this is for the admins. Okay. Hi, I'm new in this. How can I join you to make good profit? The first thing I recommend you to do is actually go to my BLW Trading Academy. blwtradingacademy.com. It's 100% free. Learn how to trade, practice on demo, and then you can go to blwsignalsgroup.com and get your monthly membership. Major one blew my account, Chris. I'm sorry to hear that. Not sure exactly how it happened, but promise you, I'm gonna help you get it back. Okay? Drinking coffee with a cup that says "You're the man." Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, Asshead says, Sid, Anupama, Prasad, Harry, Jawad, Lester, I just want to say, with the new days comes new strength and new thoughts. So we will cover these 2 months in the next one. Absolutely 100% agree. Hello, Christian. When can we expect market to get normal? I would say this week. But the truth is that, look, and I want to just throw this out. And if you know me for like, I don't know, for like 3 years or 4 years maybe, when I used to give signals, I used to give a damn if the market was good or not. Okay, I found my opportunities to give signals whether the market was crazy or not. I didn't give a damn. Okay, but the truth is that there are certain tactics that you need to know in order to beat the market even when the market's crazy. So that's exactly what we talked about during the meeting today with the admins. I taught them a strategy, a trick, so that they handle the market whether the market is a bitch or not. Okay, that's bottom line. Excuse the French. And if you're just joining in or watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. We're covering some cool information here, so I appreciate the thumbs up on this channel. Give a like. From the Philippines, how you doing? 10 p.m. in Sri Lanka, sir. We know you guys are the best in the world. Awesome, Mahesh. Again, thank you. Can you show me how to timing the 2-minute strategy? We're gonna talk about that in a different live streaming. Most likely next Tuesday. We're gonna have that live streaming about the 5-minute strategy, so stay tuned. I'm gonna trade with the 5-minute strategy using expert options. So we're gonna start growing that account as well. It's gonna be really exciting. I just finished watching the BLW training. Awesome, Jasmine. Me, 2 and 5 minutes strategy helped me. Thank you, sir. I'm glad. Today, I'm finally going to buy the membership. Awesome, LA. Welcome. Use the code Christian Rocks and get 15% off today. They're doing well. I mean, all the admins. Awesome. Love your cup. Thank you. Nice cup. Sorry, I wrote for what? It's all right. No worries. Your what? How can I join the BLW Signals Group and how it works? Go to blwsignalsgroup.com and all the information is right there in the video presentation as well. How can we apply as a signal provider in the future? I really want to try myself. I'm going to make a post on Facebook, on the Facebook Signals group about the admin. So stay tuned in there, Brian. I would love to have you as an admin, honestly. You've been a BLW fan for a long time. Little Bean says, BLW Training Academy is indeed a great start. I've learned so much. Awesome. I'm glad you liked the academy. What time will be on Tuesday? 15 GMT. My live streamings are usually on 15 GMT. Today, I had to do it at 16:30 GMT because I had the meeting with the admins at 14 GMT, but it's usually at 15 GMT, all right? Plus, I had to get a haircut. So, with the admin signals, you doubled up your account. Oh, that's awesome, man, Harris. I'm glad you actually did that. The overall numbers were not that good, but I'm happy that you actually got these results. Okay. Yeah, they're always getting away from scammers. All right. So those are part of the good news. All right. The extended schedule and the new admin. But I have some more good news for you. All right. It's not over. We want you to be educated. We want you to be part of a community. Okay. It's not just about getting signals and that, well, put and call and in the money, out of the money. It's not that it. You guys are part of a community. The BLW, which by the way is hashtag BLW World, is a community, is the Facebook of online trading. I've said that in the past, and it's the truth. This is the Facebook of online traders. It's the biggest community, it's the best community, it's the greatest community of binary options and Forex combined. So I got something for you, okay? This Wednesday, at the regular schedule of the admin, by the way, this Wednesday, and I'm gonna make this official announcement on the Facebook Signals group. This Wednesday, we're gonna have the first webinar, live webinar from Lester. Lester is going to have a live webinar, signals and educational webinar on Wednesday. This is 100% free for everyone inside of the BLW Signals group, okay? At no additional cost. What is it that we want to do here is we want you to understand how the admin looks for signals, and you learn how they do it so that you can understand each other and follow the signals better. Again, let me repeat that. Lester, by the way, in case you didn't know, he has a YouTube channel. He's my brother. He has a YouTube channel called Next Wave Trading. You can find it on YouTube. He's got over 1,000 subscribers right now. And he is going to do a free webinar in the BLW Signals group just for members. This is Wednesday. Thursday, Sidhan, in his schedule, he's going to have a live webinar as well. Signals and education. 100% free. Okay, so Sidhan, Lester is going to be on Wednesday. Sidhan is going to be on Thursday. And that's not it. On Friday, Anupama is going to have her webinar as well. Signals and education. This is to help you guys get more educated, get more into the community, and get to know the admins a little more. Tell me if this isn't great. Okay? I know we've been having some bad numbers during the last few weeks, but it's not all about numbers. It's about community. It's about learning. It's about support. Okay? It's about us being supported with each other. Look, our brothers and sisters and mother and father are not going to be supportive when we say we're going to trade binary options for Forex. They're going to say get a job. Okay? We need to support each other. We need to be a family here. So this is what we're doing. It's not just about signals. It's about family. Okay? So write it down. Wednesday, Lester is going to do a webinar. All of these schedules are going to be posted in the Facebook page, in the Facebook group. So make sure you're part of it and you like the Facebook page. By the way, the fan page is Binary Living Way. Look it up on Facebook. We are over 3,000 followers right now. Sidhan is going to be on Thursday and Anupama is going to be on Friday. So it's going to be crazy. The schedules are going to be posted in the Facebook group and in the Facebook page. Why? Because they have different schedules now for the week. I actually shared the schedules. By the way, if you're just watching this on the replay, just try to look for, just go ahead and join the Facebook group, because after we're finished and probably tomorrow Sunday, we're going to have all of these schedules posted in the group. Okay? The group, by the way, is 100% free, but the webinars are going to be for paid members only. So I'm glad you're liking the good news, because I'm actually looking at the comments right here. Hi Chris, if you shuffle the admin schedule every week or every month, then everyone can get the signals from all admins. The reason why I don't do it is because I know some of you have a daytime job, and when you come back from work or before you go to work, you're gonna follow signals, probably the same admin. And if I change the admin, it means that you will need to attach to the trading style. And I want you to actually, you know what I'm saying, like, we're actually looking that you get the bonding with one admin so that you make money forever and ever. That's basically what I want to do. I'm sorry, I think I'm gonna sneeze or something. Oh shoot. Okay. Great news, sir. Is I always thought about this. Awesome. I'm happy. It's freaking great, and we all need to be a family. That's why. And what is the time schedule? I'm gonna share it later on for the webinars. Brian says, since you had the meeting before, are we going to receive more signals or still we're going to get low volume? The point is to actually get more signals. And by the way, right now, before you go, I'm going to teach you the new way of signals being sent in the group so that you get the idea as to how it is. The new signals so that you can get more and more accurate signals. The way I trained my admins today. So every admin is going to use this same method to send signals from now on. So you should stay up until the end of this webinar, or if you're watching this on the replay, you should save this video. We're going to share this video in the live chat, on the chat room, in the signals room, so that everybody gets familiar as to how this works. Okay? Let's go ahead and jump. We're not going to talk about softwares right now, Pradeep, but no, it's not a scam. I've used it for a long time. You said Sedhan will do a training. This guy is absolutely killing it. Yeah, in his webinar, he's going to look for signals, and while finding for signals, he's going to give you some educational material. So it's going to be amazing. Brian says, lovely news for us. Members and real fans for BLW World. This is getting better for real. Next week, we're going to beat the market's ass. Sorry for my French. It's all right. So yeah, we're going to kick this market's ass. So this is the way we're going to do it. And let me just go ahead and open my trading view chart, because I'm going to give you the tutorial right now. If you're still with me, if you're interested in getting to know how these signals are going to work, make sure you actually go and smash the like button, okay? So let me go ahead and share my screen. That this is my trading view chart. And this is the way I used to send signals back in the days. I remember, those were amazing days, to be honest with you. Probably one day I'm going to start sending signals again. I loved it. But here's the deal. Admins are going to look for a support and resistance line. Okay. Let me look for horizontal. There we go. Boom. This is what the admins are going to look for, right? A resistance and a support line in here. Right now, the markets are not moving, of course, because it's Sunday. It's Saturday, I'm sorry. So we're not going to see that movement, any movement whatsoever, but I'm going to teach you exactly how it's going to work. So basically, let me get my notepad as well. Basically, the way the signals are being sent is the following. Okay, they send Euro USD. Of course, they first say if it's binary or Forex. By the way, this is only changed for binary. Forex signals continue to be the same. So they saying binary, Euro USD, call. We're gonna start with the example of call. Let me know in the live chat if you're still with me, and if you are getting this education, just confirm with a yes, I understand. Yes, I see, or something like that, so that I know that we're going in the same page, okay? And then we're going to go with the SR, which the SR will be around the support line or the resistance line or whatever. 174, okay? That's the support line. And the expiration time. And this is where the change is going to happen. Okay, the expiration time, sometimes they put 15 minutes, right? Which is fine. But for example, right now, if you notice my local time, it's 10:54, right? So if I put it at 15 minutes, then my signal is going, or my trade is going to expire at around 11:10. Does that make sense? So now this is going to change. I basically prohibited the 15-minute expiration time. And now the way it's going to work is that, assuming that this is GMT, right? Right now, what time is it in GMT? It's 16:54 GMT. So right now, the expiry time will be in GMT time, which would be 17 GMT. If the signal, if it's not going to expire in 5 minutes, it's going to be the next 15 minutes. So it's going to be 17:15 GMT. Does that make sense to you? How is it that you're supposed to set that up? And this comes to my mind because there's many people asking, hey, but I don't understand the expiry time. What can I do with the expiry time? So right now, I'm actually going to show you with my IQ option account how you should get that expiry time. Okay? Right now, I'm actually working with my local time. I'm going to open an OTC just for training purposes, and I'm going to open my demo account. And I'm going to choose just one chart. There you go. So there are 2 times in IQ option, and I'm not just focusing on IQ option, whatever broker you're using. What you should do is choose in this area, 11:15, 11:30, or 11:45. So now the signals will have more time for expiry. Why? Very, very simple. The reason why is because the candles respect the support and resistance in 15 minutes and not in 5 minutes. This is what we've been looking at during the last couple of weeks. When they send a signal for 5 minutes, for example, if you notice here, the resistance was not respected in 5 minutes. However, it was respected in 15 minutes. You see? So if you notice in 5-minute charts, here you can see the expiration time depending on what expiry time you're going to be using. And there's a lot more volatility, you see, in 5 minutes. But if you put it in 15 minutes, it's way more stable and way more easy to follow. Does that make sense? Are you guys understanding this part? If not, I'll go ahead and repeat it. The important thing here is that you guys understand. So now signals will have more time to expire. And you know what the benefit is about this? Is that the admins will not send the signals when the SR is already touched. They're going to put it like, for example, right here. Let's say, for example, here in this candle, this one right here. I wish I had like a pen or something to actually draw something here. I think I do. I don't know. I don't care. Okay, so let's say that it's right here. If I enter the signal, for example, right, this is for a put, right? So I'm going to change it, and I'm going to put. And I'm going to change the SR to this one right here, 1.11226. Awesome. And the expiry is at 17:15 GMT, which is in 17 minutes from now. 17 minutes from now, which means that this candle, I put it right here. This candle, we will need the touch of the expiry, and you set the expiry time for this next 17 minutes. So you will have enough time for the candle to touch the SR, enough time to choose the expiry time. Coleman says, sorry, but prefer the old expiry time. I understand that you prefer it, but look, I'm an expert trader, okay? I'm not a beginner, and I know my business. I know that with this method, the percentage of profit will increase, the percentage of in the money will increase. I know my business. If you guys prefer the other ways to actually do it, it's completely understandable. But I want to say this up front, not to be rude or anything. The signals group is not for you. What we're looking for in the signals group is that you make money constantly. Constantly. 5-minute trades are turbo trades. We don't deal with turbo trades in the BLW signals group. We deal with regular binary options trades. Okay? I understand that if this sounds hard and if I get new haters, it doesn't really matter to me, to be honest with you. But what I want is that you guys make more money. I wanna like hear testimonials within the next few months saying, hey, you know what? I quit my job. I'm making $1,000, $2,000 a month with your group. So I'm happy and I'm ready to, I don't know, build something great. I don't know. Build your dreams, whatever your dreams are. And this is an action plan that I came up with. It's not something that I copied for some other place or anything like that. This is an action plan that I created. And I guarantee you this. I'm going to make as many changes as needed as long as I get to the point where you are making money on a weekly basis. That's my goal. My goal is not that you lose money. My goal is not that you have fun gambling. My goal is that you actually end up making money. I told you before in another webinar, when you are good at binary options, it gets boring. It gets boring. Trust me. It is way more fun to be placing trades for 2 minutes because it keeps your adrenaline up and you're like, ooh, I'm going to win this one. And then you lose it and I'm going to win the next one. Then you win 3. They're like all excited. I know the feeling. I invented the 2-minute strategy. I know the feeling, okay? It's profitable, but it gets your adrenaline a little up. But when you trade the way I'm telling you right now, with 17, 20, even 30-minute expiries, it gets boring. But you know what? It gets easier. It's more money. And let me tell you why. I don't know if you guys saw the webinar or the live streaming that I had on Thursday. Go ahead and check it out. It lasts like 1 hour. And I placed like around 6 trades in that day. I won like 5 or something like that. I don't remember. But the trades that I won, if you remember, they were insanely deep in the money. We're not talking about 1 or 2 pips in the money. We're talking about 10, 20 pips in binary options in the money, which means that at the expiry time, you're not going to be like, oh, I hope it jumps. Oh, I hope it drops. No, you're going to be bored. Like, yeah, it's in the money. I'm going to look for the next one. That's the way I trade. Isn't that the way? I mean, you've been watching my videos for a long time now. Isn't that the way you want to end up trading? Calm down, boring because it's easy to make money. That's the way it's supposed to be if you want to make money. Okay? I'm making these changes because I want you to make money. For me, it's way easier to continue the way it is right now when some people can't follow the signals and some people can. And it counts that in the money, but 10 people were like waiting for the signal and only 5 could join. The signal is in the money, and I can show you the results in here, and it's 100% in the money for the admins, and they're also excited, join and pay. But what about the 5 people that couldn't join? I'm not that kind of guy. Okay, I want the 10 people to enter and make money, the 10 of them. I don't care about the ones already making money. I care about the ones who are not making money still. Does that make sense? I know it sounds like a cliche, but that's the truth. Look, if I wasn't passionate about you making money, I wouldn't be on a Saturday morning, on Sunday mornings, making tutorial videos, editing my videos, sharing tips and strategies, doing seminars for like 1 hour, right? This is my passion. I need to see the ones, if I have 1,000 members right now and 950 are making money. I don't care about the 950. I need to help the 50 who are not making money. If you're part of those who are not making money yet, you are the one that I want to help right now. You are the one. And that's the reason of these changes. Okay? I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm not trying to do anything. And right now, I'm going to give you a, what's it called? Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert for only the ones who are watching this right now, because you guys lasted for about 40 minutes right now watching this webinar. I'm going to tell you a secret that I'm preparing for you within February and March. Right now, let me go ahead and read the charts. For Turbo, we already have the 5-minute strategy room. Exactly. With this new way of taking signals, we're going to increase for our accounts for sure. Absolutely. Coleman, I'm glad that you're willing to learn, because that makes you a successful trader. Testimonial here. I quit my job on December 23rd, said bye-bye to the call center, and started my journey for living out of this. Awesome, Brian, for sharing. Thank you. Yes, was here and made 4 in the morning in a row. It was awesome. And the great news is that we're going to have this live session every Thursday. Yeah, Brian was here in the live streaming on Thursday. You should definitely check that out. It was an amazing webinar. As long as you can teach it, we can do it. I believe that. Yeah, I'm going to teach you. And the truth is that, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to give you the two spoiler alerts, okay? Because I'm preparing this right now. But I'm going to give you these 2 spoiler alerts just because I love you guys. Okay? I'm creating a brand new website that is going to be specifically like the BLW Trading Academy, but specifically to follow signals. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say the domain name. I'm not going to say how it's going to work. I'm not going to say, oh, the other thing, it's 100% free. Okay? Exactly like the BLW Trading Academy, but it's going to be just for signals. 100% free. And of course, we're going to have webinars in there, like live webinars, where I'm going to teach you exactly how to follow signals. Okay? Spoiler alert. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to answer questions in regards to it, because it's a big surprise that I'm preparing for you guys. Let me see the comments. Compliments. Thank you very much for the good words. Stop making money, feeling jealous, and want to learn everything. Take my academy. That's the first step. Yeah, it happens when you with demo you make thousands of dollars, and then with real your money, it's all about emotions. It's all about emotions. And also depends on what demo account you're using, because there are some brokers that manipulate the demo accounts. Can you please take a lighter blue by IQ option so you can see this better? Yeah, I think I can do it, but it's better if you do it on your own chart. But I'll go ahead and try to change it for the next videos. Is it possible to add SR for 2-minute strategy app? No, because the SR and the 2-minute strategy, it moves. It can't be specific SR. I'm in India. Can I use IQ option? Yes, you can. We hear you, sir. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, that's the first spoiler alert. And before I finish this live streaming, I'm going to give you the second one. And some of you already know this, but I'm already working in a brand new trading platform that is going to be for the BLW Signals group. How's this trading platform going to work? Of course, I copied interface or ideas of a software or different softwares, because I got different ideas. Have you seen the softwares out there? Like, you know, when it's semi-automated, like Crypto Masterbot or something like that, and you get a pop-up signal, right? To enter, that pop-up signal is usually generated by an algorithm created inside of the software. I changed that. So I'm creating something which is almost ready, by the way, but I'm not gonna launch it until February. I created something like it's gonna pop up the signal, but the admin is sending the signal. We're gonna have a chat box. We're going to have a support chat as usual. We're going to have the news. We're going to have the trading view chart, everything combined in one single place. Just like the website we're having right now, but way faster and better. And that's not it. I see many people give a like button if you think this platform is gonna be amazing. Make sure you give a like on this video. Thank you for the compliments. Control emotion is really necessary. It took $10 to $14, and now it's again on $10. Yeah, exactly. To tell you the truth, I saw the 2-minute strategy video. I made money and then almost lost it all. So I've been watching your BLW training. It's helping to understand. Awesome. Thank you for the good words. Make sure you give a like on this streaming. Okay, so where was it in the platform? And that's not it. You like getting signals on your phone, right? Do you like getting signals on your phone? Reply in the live chat. What's your favorite app? Instagram, something like that? Twitter? Okay, let's focus on Twitter. What is Twitter like? It gives you notifications, right? People with the news feed and everything. And you're like, whoa. Yeah, there's gonna be a BLW Signals app. How does that sound? A BLW Signals app, so that you don't even have to go into the website and follow the signals, but instead you're gonna have an application on your phone that is gonna give you the signals. You can get updates, and you can get a bunch of things in real time only for the BLW. Do you know of any other company? Do you know of any other community that has this? I don't. Okay, I don't. The BLW world is dominating the trading world. And this is because we don't have limits that depend on money. Because most of these so-called trading signal services, they offer you a regular membership, which is cheap, or not that cheap, like $200. They offer you the silver, which is $400 or $500. And they then offer you a gold membership for like $1,000. And if you only have the money to pay for the standard membership, you only get to see by far the ones that have the money for the gold membership. We don't do that here. We're all equal here. You either get it for free or you all get it for the same price. Okay? I'm not gonna limit you just because you were born in a country where there's no money or something like that. I'm not gonna limit you. Instead, I'm gonna give you the tool in your hand so that you can change your financial life once for all. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter. I'm giving you the tool in your hand for you to change your life forever. Okay? This is why the BLW world is taking over in the community. This is why I have so many haters. This is why the competitors come here dressed like their subscribers and just give dislikes. This is why there's so many people commenting in Trustpilot that I'm a scammer for the BLW Trading Academy. Because they don't have the same mentality. They want money. They don't want to help you. They want money. Okay? So this is gonna change the industry. 2020 is gonna be the best year of your lives. Okay? And I'm glad, I'm looking at all the comments, all right? And I'm happy that you guys are excited as I am. So yes, we had a couple of bad weeks. Who cares? This is a lifetime opportunity, and we're gonna get crazy this year. Webinars coming, new admin coming, more schedule coming, new platform coming. I mean, in $29.99 a month, dude, come on. You pay that for, I don't know, a dinner with your friends or whatever. You spend more than $29 a month in beer if you drink, and cigarettes or doing whatever. I don't know. Okay? So this is the spoiler alert for today. I'm reading the comments. I know you guys are excited. Remember, if you join today the BLW Signals group, in case you're not part of it, or if you want to buy additional months or additional years, use the discount code Christian Rocks without the H, just Christian without the H, Christian Rocks, and you'll get 15% off today, just today, for the BLW Signals group. So I just want to say thank you for being here today, and try to rewatch this webinar as many times as you can in order to understand how the signals are going to be, so that you can start following the new type of signals that are going to be sent inside of the BLW Signals group. More money is coming. Better numbers are actually coming this month, this week. And that's it for today, guys. If you have any additional question that I couldn't answer live, make sure you actually put it on the comment section below, and I'll go ahead and take the time today and tomorrow to answer those questions as soon as I can. And thank you very much for being here today, and smash the like button before you go. Over 70 people watching this on Saturday. It's absolutely outstanding. So thank you very much for being here today. Remember, hashtag BLW World. If you guys want to post a picture on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, BLW World is the hashtag for us. So thank you for being here today. I'll leave you with the page of the BLW Signals group. See you next time.